All right. Hello and welcome to another episode. Well, this is really part 2 of the first video, and I thought, okay, let me upload it on this channel. Hi everybody on this channel. It's been a while. Yes, I'm back in the mix. And so, I made the video straight raw footage, and of course it was upside down, because it was upside down when I started the video, and I didn't realize it until after it was all done. And you now have an upside down video, but we ain't part of the Masonic Brotherhood, as above so below, upside down, inside out, all that nonsense. So this is me doing it properly. So now I did it, as you can see, Power Director. I use Power Director. You've heard of this free app? When it came to flipping the image in there, it doesn't have that option. So perhaps you can recommend an app that gives me all the knickknacks and bells and whistles, such as flipping the image. You can't flip the image. Yes, okay. So here we go. I'm going to try like this.
All right.
Now, if I flip it.
All right. The pilot, as they call it, the pilot. I got to first decide who I'm going to be in these new series of movies. Short videos,
okay,
short video films. Ooh, I'm shaky.
Okay, here we go.
Am I going to be... Hello, everybody.
No,
Papa T. Back again.
What are you loading?
Am I going to be Charlie Canoe? Or am I going to be established 1983? Right back at ya. What's happening? Okay.
Yeah, I'm upside down.
Relax. Simmer down.
I'm still upside down.
New series, new videos, new projects, new things happening. I need to schedule a meeting with my barber. We have a cigarette. We always got to start with a smoke.
Okay, here we go. So I'm hoping that after I spend the next 16 minutes of my life doing this, I can quickly just flip it in AZ Screen Recorder. Okay, let's see. And then the Power Director will be upside down. Good.
Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you for joining me. It's been a while. New equipment thanks to the Patreon. Thanks to the patrons at Patreon. See, the problem with the new equipment is it's so sharp. See all the imperfections. Don't look at my teeth, okay? I'm not a crackhead. I just haven't been to the dentist in a long time, okay? My mother keeps busting my balls. She says, Rick, when are you gonna go to the dentist? Come on. Just like she says, when are you gonna stop smoking? Well, not today, sweetheart. Not today. So, what are we doing in this new series? Well, I'm involved. I just got myself a brand new project, working on another renovation job. And people don't understand. People don't understand. They say, Rick, at the rate you're going, you're gonna move in a year. But they don't understand. So now I show you. Now I hope the technology allows me to rotate. No, I'm stuck. Can't do it. Okay, so you're just gonna have. Wah. So anticlimactic. I guess you're gonna have to just see the project like this. So why take down a wall? Why take down a wall? Why move your stairs from there to there? Why do that? Why? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Is that a stained glass window? Okay, let's do it like this for a little bit. Is that a stained glass window you got over there? Why that? What the hell is that? What are you doing there? Just throw some floating floors on the fucking thing and you're done. Okay, I'm jumping forward. But just to say, and my motivation behind starting this new series is to explore the many things that need to be done in a home renovation. And from experience, I've learned that you do not move into a home and then do the renovations little by little. Especially when you have a family, when you have a wife. I don't see no ring on this finger. You know what I'm saying? A wife. You know, nobody understands. Because, for example, you come downstairs to the laundry room and you take a look at the laundry room and you say, okay, this is a room in itself that needs some care, some thought and attention. That's the ceiling ripped open because previous people were trying to figure out what to do there or something. Maybe there was a leak. Okay, this is the glorious laundry room. Okay. So now, I came in here for the first time, really, just a few moments ago, and I stood here like this. Just hurt myself. Stood here like this, and I looked. And this is my process, right? I look and I examine everything. I think of all the different things that need to be done. Are we going to move the vent? Where are we going to put our washer dryer? Oh, but the pipes are already there. But maybe I don't want the pipes there. Maybe I don't want a door that swings open and bangs into the hot water tank. Or maybe I don't want a door at all there. Yeah, you can see the process. So we're just going to talk about the hot water, the laundry room for now. And what else is going to go in here? Well, we're going to put in central vacuum system. You know about central vacuum systems? Do you know about central vacuum systems? Well, we have one in our current home. And I rather like it. Oh, cool. Check that out. You can see the mirror in the mirror. Mirror in the mirror! That's a cool feature. Look at that. Mirror in the mirror! Mirror in the mirror! Mirror in the mirror! Can you tell it's been a while since I've done this? Central vacuum system. Very, very practical thing to have in your home. Most people don't have them. Why? Because they're expensive to install. Well, okay, hold on. I digress. Let's jump back a little bit. It's not that something is expensive or not expensive. It's the effort and the thought process required into applying that. Now, of course, when you're talking home renovations and rebuilds and remodeling and all this stuff, you know, a guy's gonna charge you $1,500 to put up a wall and make a bedroom. Like, give me a break, right? All implied that, obviously, I am doing the work myself, the majority of it. I'm not installing 240 washer dryer outputs and stove outlets, right? But for the majority, I know how to build shit. I know how to design spaces to better serve the purpose of the people living inside. And it's not just myself and my family that's going to be living here forever. We're not going to live forever, right? When we're gone, or let's say we decide let's say I do become a crackhead and I need money and I got to sell the house because you just got to get some, right? Well, then the next people that will buy this house from the foreclosure, right? Will appreciate the fact that established 1983, yours truly, thought about putting in a central vacuum system. Catch I mind? So, it's going to be short and sweet. Coming back, we'll call this I don't know, it'll come to me. I haven't decided what we're going to call this yet. But thinking about that, now, where is it going to go? Where in this room, because it should be down here, this is the utilities room, right? The laundry room. Right? Build a little wall somewhere, and also because it's a central place. So upstairs, which is open, is the tube, the vents, right? And if we go up quickly, we went from talking about a laundry room to the central vacuum system. And that's what we're currently working on at the moment. A nice landing in the new stairs. It's actually kind of cool. So originally, anyways, we can't do everything in the same video established. Just stick to one thing or two things at least. And okay, so we're upstairs. Oh yeah, wow, awesome, open concept. I love it. Yeah, really lets the air flow. Okay, and down here is basically where that room is. You can see it. You can see it through the cracks. Not that kind of crack. Okay? So where am I going to put the vent? Well, if you notice, I'm building a little stand area here. This is a special little thing. It's going to actually house the reverse osmosis water filtration system inside and have a little faucet up for all the drinking water in the house. Huh? Yes, I thought about that. And yes, I'm going to do that because it's something that will better the living experience of everybody. So, and somewhere like right there would be the outlet for the central vacuum system. You plug it in up here. You do this room, you do this room. It's pretty long that it goes. Maybe I'll put another one in that room down there. You know, these are the things that you have to think about simultaneously while you're designing and rebuilding walls and putting in sections that you're accounting for these things that you're going to do in the future. Right, and then you get a nice little view of the neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the story. I will be publishing these more for my own record of all the different aspects of any renovation job or any rebuild job. And down here will be another large, fairly sized bedroom. So, how to take a summer cottage and convert it into a dream home. Yeah. We're going to get into how-to videos with a little bit of everything else splashed in there for flavor. Right? How to turn a old raggedy summer cottage into your dream home for tomorrow and forevermore. Huh? All right, that's it for now. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe, share this wide. Don't forget to hit up the Patreon. I'm also on Odyssey. I'm also on BitChute. I'm also on FakeOTube. Come on, you gotta throw some established on FakeOTube. Come on. Big fan. Shout outs. Yes, this is some shout outs. How's everybody doing? AML, how you doing, brother man? Shout out to shout out to first one off YouTube, No More Computers. How you doing, brother? Treach, my man. JLB, if you're out there watching this, hope you're doing good. Okay, updates in that world. Okay, Aaron Dover, RIP. Oh, so real quick. I stumble upon the 7-Eleven inside, application job thing again, and revisited, checked out a conclusion, a kind of summary, and it's like, kind of like a cycle, the circle, okay, by Simon Shack over on Fakeologist. You guys can check it out. Good stuff, okay? And the conclusion was that, so we know. But then we go an even step further. I then stumble upon Aaron Dover, R.I.P., the greatest YouTuber of all time. No question. Something like that. And he then further rounded off the corners for me in that whole opera, which then also he expounds on other things that are very few people talk about, i.e., can I say it? Am I gonna get banned? Atmospheric electricity. Apparently it's everywhere. And apparently we are all using it and we just don't know about it. Okay, right? So yeah, I'm gonna look into building my own Antiquitech. I still have to find the right mentorship in that direction. If you know of anyone that has good research or information on how to build Antiquitech so you can harness the energy from the ether and use it to power your life. Right? Okay. So on that note and that tone, I'm gonna let you go. We'll end with something nice. How about we end with something nice, huh? Start with something nice and end with something nice. So from everybody here at Established 1983, we thank you for tuning in, and we hope to see you back again for another episode of How to Transform an Old Raggedy Chalet into a Dream Home. Ta-ta for now.
Alright, there you go. So, am I still recording? Yes, we're still recording. Alright, so now, what do? I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to see if this app gives me the option to flip, okay? So, ta-ta for now, and we'll see you soon.